Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Discord password if you forgot it. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Discord like I am doing. Okay, and log in into your account first. So click on open Discord. As you can see that I already logged into my account, and here you can simply go into the user settings, and here you will find an option of to change password. So scroll down, click on advanced, and here is you can see that there is a developer option, but here you will find an option of click on my account first, and here you can see the option of change password. Click on that, but here you can see that it required current password, new password, and confirm password. So how you can change without password? So you simply need to log out. Click on log out first. Okay, and then you need to click on login. Here you need to enter your email. So let me enter my email address here. Okay, as you can see that, and here you need to click on forgot your password. Okay, you can see that instructions sent to change password on your email address. So let me check my email whether I receive any instructions or not. So here in my email address you can see that, click on reset password, and here you can reset your password easily by entering your password. So this is a process by which you can change Discord password if you forgot old password. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.